How to fix TikTok likes not showing properly. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix TikTok likes not showing properly. Without further ado, let's get started. So before we open the TikTok app, please make sure that it is up to date. If not, please go to your App Store or to your Play Store and update your TikTok app. After that, just tap in TikTok right here and open the app. So from your For You page, just click on the profile button at the bottom right corner to access our profile page right here. So the first thing that we are going to do to fix the TikTok likes not showing properly is to make sure that our account is not private. This is because if your account is private, only your followers will be able to see your content and actually like it. So this might be the issue behind not getting much likes on your videos on TikTok. So the first thing that we are going to do is click on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy. Just click on Privacy right here. And make sure that this private account option is turned gray. So this toggle button should appear gray and not green. So when this is gray, that means that your account is currently public and not a private account, so everyone can see your video content and basically all the videos that is listed on your account. So again, with a private account, only accounts you approve can follow you. So they will be the only ones to like your TikTok videos right here. So if that is not the issue you are facing, based on experience, it can actually be a TikTok glitch, and after some time, the TikTok likes can actually come back to showing properly. So you might just wanna hang around and wait for it to come back, or also scroll through social media sites or any media news outlets and find updates about the TikTok likes not showing properly. So if it still does not come back after some time, you can also try logging out and logging in of your account again by clicking on this 3-bar line at the top right corner. Click on Settings and Privacy again. And from this page, just scroll all through the bottom and click on Log Out right here. After clicking that, just re-log in on your account, and hopefully that will fix your TikTok likes to showing properly again. If that still does not work, the last resort is to reinstall your TikTok app. So please take note that this step deletes your TikTok drafts. If that's not an issue for you, just go ahead to your home page, press and hold TikTok, and just click on Remove App right here. And just go onto the App Store again and install the TikTok app. And hopefully that will fix your TikTok likes not showing properly. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.